How to trim and cut video in CapCut PC. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can trim and cut videos in CapCut PC. First of all, launch CapCut on your PC. Import the video you want to edit into the timeline. To trim your video, simply click and hold the end of the video clip in the timeline. Drag the end of the clip from the right side to the left to shorten the video. Similarly, you can drag the left side to the right to trim from the beginning. This is a quick way to select a specific part of the video and shorten it. If you need to be more precise, then place the playhead on the point where you want to cut. Now you want to press letter B on your keyboard or Ctrl plus B to cut the video. You can also make additional cuts as needed and delete unwanted sections by selecting and pressing delete. After trimming and cutting, you are left with your desired footage. You can now move on to further edits or export your final video. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.